Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. What am I unboxing? The Radiolink RG6CS. This is the V2. It got a V3 coming out soon, but we're going to take a look at the V2. A couple weeks I'll do another video showing you all the cool features that are in this radio. But for now, we're just going to crack open the box and show you what it comes with. Check it out. So first things first, you've got the outside of the box. Front side of the box gives you a few of the functions and the cool features that are in this unit. Be a nice little picture of the unit. Rotate over to this side, you got some information for the Chinese customers. Backside, once again, information for the Chinese customers. And on this side, a whole list in English of all the cool features that this radio comes with. So that's what you get on the outside of the box. Nice styrofoam. It's very well protected. It's also inside a plastic bag, which is great. So first thing you'll notice when you open up the package is this unit comes with a lanyard, which is super nice. One of the only radios I've seen so far that comes with a lanyard right in the box for you, which is great to have. Next thing you're going to see is the R7FG receiver. This is a full 6-channel receiver, dual antenna, gives you a super long range, and this also has a telemetry system so that you can check the battery in your car from the remote, which is pretty cool. And the great part is they give you the adapter with the radio to plug in your battery and plug into the receiver so that you can utilize that telemetry right out of the box. Nothing extra to buy. Everything comes in the package. Let's get to the radio itself. Again, comes in a nice plastic bag. Keeps it nice and clean. But as you can see, the styling of the controller is great. It's got a nice textured surface here that gives you some good grip. It's got a good feel in the hand. Nice, soft steering wheel. You got some nice 3-position switches here, and then you have your standard trim switches. But then you've also got the secret buttons, the hidden buttons. I haven't put some batteries in this yet, but I do know that when you use this button, which can be connected to the 3rd channel, 4th channel, 5th channel, or the 6th channel, it does light up. So you will know when you've clicked this, which is pretty cool. Backside of the unit, you've got the on-off switch, and then you also have a port here which allows you to connect a USB micro to do software updates, which is great. Radiolink does regular software updates for their units. One of the other things that these Radiolink controllers come with is a mounting spot for FPV, which is nice. So you can put a adapter there so that you can have your phone on top of the controller, so that if you're using FPV with this controller, you have your screen right there in front of you while you're driving around. So in the battery compartment, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AA batteries that you're going to be using for this. There is an adapter that you can buy from Radiolink, which allows you to take this battery tray out, unplug it, and plug in and use a life battery or even a LiPo battery. Also in the box is the instruction sheet. They are laid out very well, very clear. The one thing that I really like about Radiolink is they give you a table here of all the different functions and what they're used for. It's kind of a quick reference guide so that you can see what you want to do. You can check the instructions real quick, get to where you need to be, make the changes and adjustments you need. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate the support for the channel. And I want to say a special thank you to the folks at Radiolink for sending me this radio so that I can test it out and make some videos sharing it with all of you. I have worked with Radiolink in the past, and I truly enjoy using their product and working with them. They're a great bunch of folks, and they make a great product. So the next time you're in the market for a reasonably priced, high-feature radio, please go take a look at the Radiolink RC6GS or the RC4GS if you're in the market. Thank you.